Struggling with Wi-Fi issues after a recent Windows 10 update? You're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common causes and step-by-step fixes, helping you restore your internet connection quickly and easily. Let's get started.
If your system started acting up after a recent change, removing the last update or app might help. First, right-click on the Start button and choose Settings. In Settings, click Apps from the left side. Then click Installed Apps. Here you'll see a list of all installed programs and when they were installed. If you see something you recently added, click the three dots next to it, then choose Uninstall. To remove updates, go back and click Windows Update, then Update History, and scroll down to Uninstall Updates. Click it, pick the latest one, and hit Uninstall. Let's reset your network settings to fix any connection issues. Right-click on the Start button and click Settings. In the left panel, choose Network and Internet. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Now click Reset Now and confirm when prompted. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. Your PC will restart automatically. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi once it's back on. To check for updates, first look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on the Start button, that's the Windows logo. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now choose Windows Update on the left side and click Check for Updates. Let it finish. If it asks to restart, go ahead and do it. Let's run a malware scan using built-in Windows security. Right-click the Start button and choose Settings. Go to Privacy and Security on the left, then click Windows Security. And next, click Virus and Threat Protection. A new window will open. Click the Quick Scan button. It'll scan key areas for threats. If you want a deeper check, click Scan Options and choose Full Scan. Then hit Scan Now. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Let's run the DISM tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help pages opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. Let's run the system file checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, sfc:/scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.